To all the Falava Freshies, my name is Samita and we are here in Samoa at the famous Fiafia Park, the only family theme park of its kind in the Pacific. Let's go check it out and see how many rides I can get on. Samoa. Okay, that's enough. Let's go. I just bought my tickets and we're ballin'. I was wondering because this ride looks perfect for me. Do you think I'm tall enough for it?
This ride is only for kids.
Oh. Okay. Keep it fresh. Keep it fresh. So apparently you gotta be this tall. Am I allowed on this ride?
Yeah.
Okay. Means I'm skinny. As you can see, guys, behind me there's a massive Ferris wheel. Just wanted to add that I'm scared of heights. I'm still going. I'm still going. Wow, thank you. Just wanted to ask, what's your favorite ride on the Fiafia Park?
It's Ferris wheel.
You like the Ferris wheel? Are you tall enough for this ride?
Yes.
We are the same height. I'm terrified of it. We are slowly gliding. Please don't move me! What is wrong with this kid? I said, oh, you are so fired. Please. Guys, I think I've conquered my fear of heights. So let's go see where the food is.
Keep it fresh.
Keep it fresh.
What is your favorite thing about working here?
When I was young, I would always watch the shows, the Magic Circus of Samoa, but I remember having fun. I never thought I'd be working here and being a part of the circus, and now I am.
You know, looking at what I'm looking at right now, it makes me very happy. See the parents looking at their children, they're laughing, they're smiling. Everyone's having a good time, and I think that's the ultimate reward.
Growing up, I used to watch your Magic Circus, and I thought it was the coolest thing.
You know, in the very beginning, I think people, Magic Circus of Samoa, what is that? And I didn't think people really believed that it was going to happen. Now the Magic Circus has proven that it's a very well-known, famous circus now. Not only the Pacific, but the whole Indian Ocean and basically around the world. We're still going full blast. We're training right now. It's going to be one of the best shows we've ever had. All right, so let's keep it Fiafia and let's keep it fresh.
All right, guys, today was a fun day. Thank you guys for joining me. Make sure when you come to Samoa, you come to Fiafia Park. It's your girl, Mita. I'm going to see